Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about ratios and we'll be looking at dividing amounts in a given ratio. Question 1. Dora and Jack share 24 pencils in the ratio 3 to 5. How many pencils do they each receive? In this case, I will be drawing a bar model to calculate how much one part is worth. Dora's ratio is 3. So this is my bar model, 3 parts, and Jack's ratio is 5. So your bar model should have equal parts. In total, Jack and Dora are sharing 24 pencils. To do our calculation, we have 24 divided by 8 parts. When you add your boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24 divided by 8, that gives us 3. This means that each part is 3. The second part of our question says, how many pencils do they each receive? So Dora received 3 times 3, which gives us 9 pencils. And Jack received 3 times 5, which gives us 15 pencils. You can also check this by adding 9 to 15, which gives us 24. One thing you should take note is the first name goes to the first ratio, and the second goes to the second number as well. Now let's move on to question 2. Ash and Mike shared some money in the ratio 5 to 4. Ash got 25 pounds, sorry, $25. How much did Mike get? Still using my bar model, I have Ash and I have Mike. So Ash's ratio is 5. Make sure you have equal parts. So fortunately, my parts are not that great. No, sorry. So 4 for Mike. In this question, we are being told that Ash got $25, which is equivalent to her ratio 25. So when we go to our calculation, we will divide $25 by the number of parts Ash has, which is 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. That means each part is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. The part B of the question says, how much did Mike get? So this will help us find the total amount for Mike. So this gives me 5 times 4, because I have 4 lots of 5, and that is $20. So in total, Mike got $20. Our third question says Dan and Dave share some money in the ratio 3 to 5. Dave got £12 more than Dan. How much did they each get? Still using my bar model, Dan and Dave. What's the ratio for Dan? That's 3. So I have my bar model 3. And ratio for Dave is 5. Have this, make sure they are equal. Okay. So we are being told in the question that Dave got £12 more than Dan. And this is Dave. Looking at Dave's bar model, we can see that we have 2 squares more, and we are being told that this is equivalent to £12. So doing our calculation, we're going to have £12 divided by 2, which gives us what? 6. That means each part is 6. So to work out how much each of them had, we have, so this is done. We have 6 times 3, that gives us 18. And for Dave, we have 6 times 5, and that gives us 30. So in total, Dan receives £18 and Dave receives £30. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for your time.